At the age of 12, Dalí found a crutch in the Molí de la Torre, which he turned into one of his most popular images.
I took possession of the crutch and felt that I must never be separated from it in my life. Such was the fetishist fantasy that it aroused in me from the first instant.
With that crutch, he was about to throw his friend Dolita from the top of the tower.
From then on, this anonymous crutch was and will continue to be mine, until my final days, the symbol of death and the symbol of resurrection.
In Paris, the crutch was accepted among the Surrealists. Dalí gave it the definition in the Dictionary of Surrealism.
Crutch, wooden support that derives from Cartesian philosophy, generally used as a support to the tenderness of soft structures.
And in that post-war Europe, Dalí used the crutch to support the decadence of the aristocracy.
It would require mountains of crutches to give the appearance of solidity to all of that. With just one of your aristocratic legs and the crutches of my intelligence, you would be more solid than the revolution of the intellectuals.